Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to set the page size in Google Sheets. Whether you're prepping a spreadsheet for printing, creating a report, or just want your documents to look more polished and professional, knowing how to adjust the page size is a total game changer. By the end of this tutorial, you'll feel confident setting up your Google Sheets for any kind of print job, big or small. So let's dive right in. First, we need to head over to the print settings. To do this, click on File in the top left corner of your Google Sheets window and then select Print from the drop-down menu. This will open up the Print Settings panel. If you're used to working in Google Docs or Slides, this might feel a little bit different, but don't worry, you're in the right place. Opening the print settings is kind of like pulling back the curtain to see all of the ways you can get your sheet to appear just the way you want when it's printed out. Now, once you're in the print panel, take a look at the right side of your screen. You'll find a drop-down labeled Paper Size. This is where the magic happens. By default, it might be set to letter or A4, but you aren't stuck with the default if it doesn't fit your needs. Click on that drop-down and you'll see a whole list of predefined paper sizes like A3, B5, legal, and more. Maybe you need to print something that'll fit perfectly in a binder, or perhaps you're working on a document for international colleagues who use a different standard. Just pick the size that matches your needs. And here's a great option. If none of the preset sizes work for your project, you can select custom size and enter your own dimensions. This is super useful if you're working on something like labels, planner sheets, or designs that require a very specific size. Just enter the width and height that suits your project. Take your time here. Adjusting these settings helps make sure your spreadsheet isn't cut off or shrunk awkwardly when you print. Next up is orientation. Sometimes the information you're working with fits better going across the page instead of down. In the print settings, you'll see options for orientation. This lets you pick between portrait taller than it is wide and landscape wider than it is tall. If you have a wide table with lots of columns, landscape can really save the day and keep everything on one page. On the other hand, for long lists or reports, portrait might work better. Just click the orientation that works for your sheet, and you'll see a preview update instantly, which is super handy. Now let's talk about margins for a second. Margins are the blank spaces around the edges of your page. You might want more white space for notes, or maybe less so you can fit as much data as possible. In the print panel, you'll see the option to adjust these margins. You can pick normal, narrow, wide, or even set custom margins. Don't stress if this takes a moment to get right. Play around until your content fits comfortably. Little tweaks here can make a big difference. Finally, when you're happy with your page size and all the settings, simply click the Next button at the top right. This will take you to a final print preview. From there, just follow your usual printing steps to get your Google Sheet looking great on paper. And that's it, you've just set up your custom page size in Google Sheets. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or run into any issues, just drop a comment below. I'm always here to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.